Hello everyone, welcome to This is SCP server. This is an SCP server, so I'm just running on the actual game bit later. But I'm gonna do a showcase of the admin remote. Basically, this is what you would normally see when you first get it. This basically will tell you what SCP, ID, number they got in, the nickname, role, server role, what SCP they are, and what they got in. How much health do they have? Kick. Well, this is self-explanatory. This is decently self-explanatory. Basically turns on into this, to this. Give items basically will just make you able to sing. This Overwatch will base the admin tools. Give items. Okay, I did with those. Select. So basically, this will just turn you into spectator, and you won't be spawned in if NTFs get respawned or anything just like that. Bypass, basically you can just walk through most things, and you keep the intercom forever. Here on lockdown, lockdown just shuts down every door, and this just, well, it just heals you. God mode, oh, it says right here. This is self-explanatory. You can bring someone or go to them. The next one is door modular. Basically, you can use this to open all doors, close all doors and gates, lock them all, unlock them all, or destroy them all. And the gates don't count, so yeah. All the effects. Oh shit. I'm just putting on every single beautiful effects. Disable it, you just press disabled. So now my eyes are back to normal. God mode doesn't allow you to die. Next one is the manager, which will basically, you can mute someone, mute them for intercom or anything else. Now the events, you can look around, which I did, respawn someone or as one of the classes. You can do that with first class, but basically you could choose mobile people. But if you want to like them to be D class or any other class which isn't just Chaos and NTF, then you have to use 4th class. Reset round, that's what I'm going to do later. Start round basically forces the round to start. Basically stops people from staying in the light containment. This will start the nuke. This will disable the nuke, and this will blow up the nuke. This will just stop the intercom. So if you don't want them to carry on unless they're using bypass, then you just turn them into a spectator. Reset one will just reset the and then lock the lobby basically when you're waiting. And so this is how you turn on friendly fire, but I don't have the permission to turn on friendly fire. And this is spawn protection, basically just protects you from when you spawn in, but not for a long time. And then it's this. Now we get to my favorite part, PC.